you have a low creatinine, pagka low ang creatinine mo, nagma-muscle wasting. So you need to do strengthening exercises. Squat, lunges, chopping vegetable or meat, you squat. 10 squat, then chop, 30 count, then squat, 10, 10, 10, 30 seconds interval. Okay, so matatas yan once you do the lifting exercises. Water, yes, do sets, do repetitions. 1 week, 2 weeks, if it's lighter na, magaan na siya, o yung 325 ml, gawin mo 500 ml. Yung 500 ml, gawin mo 1 liter. Kung hindi mo mabuhat ang 1 liter, yung 500 ml, palitan mo yung water, palitan mo ng sand. Pagka nakaabot ka na ng mga 1 month, 2 months of doing resistance exercise, 1 month, 2 months, that's the time you invest in dumbbells. Ang advice ko dyan sa mga workout or exercise, you need to enjoy that. If you're not enjoying on what you're doing, titigil ka.